Alright, guys, so I just came across the news that Houston is under a boil water notice. So pretty much, Houston, boil water, don't just drink it. Don't drink water coming from the fridge if it's connected to, a water, because you need to boil it. So boil the water. Also, some schools and some businesses might be closed tomorrow, due to the boil water notice and water not being good for children in schools and businesses. So keep your eyes on the news because of that. All right, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.